What's up everyone, Vitaly here, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about affiliate programs and what you do if you signed up to one or more of them and your application was disapproved. What do you do if that's the case? Is there a chance that you'll actually get it approved? And what are the steps necessary if it is possible? This is something that I have a lot of experience with personally because if you don't already know, I do affiliate marketing full time. Here's some of my stats in this business. I'm actually signed up with multiple affiliate networks. I've promoted multiple products from many different networks over the years, and I've had situations in more than one case where my application was disapproved, but then by following the steps that I'll be sharing with you in this video, I was able to get that reversed, and I'm now an active affiliate and promoting the products in the said affiliate network. So to get started with, the first thing that you need to know is that there's really two types of affiliate programs that you can sign up with. There's many different networks out there, but they're usually divided into two categories. The first one is you sign up with them and you're instantly approved. There's nothing else that you need to do. There really isn't any application process or any proof that you have to provide that you have a website or any other kind of substantial business happening in order to showcase that you can be an active affiliate. They just approve you right away. Here's one of the quick examples of that. So these stats that I shared with you are actually part of a network called Wealthy Affiliate, which teaches people how to create online businesses, but they also have their own affiliate program. And all you need to do in order to be eligible to promote their service is literally just sign up with them. So if I go into the details area, actually here it is right here, they offer good commissions for promoting them, and I'll leave a link below this video if you want to check them out a little bit further. But the point being is once you're a member of this program, you're signed up and you don't have to go through any application process to be an affiliate. You're automatically an affiliate. But then in other cases, you have affiliate networks out there where there are application processes that you have to go through. You have to provide your full name, your address, maybe some tax ID, a website, just a whole bunch of stuff, in sometimes a little bit, sometimes a lot. And very often in those second categories, people often see that their applications are disapproved, and very often there isn't really much information given as to why that's the case. So this video really focuses a lot on this second category of situations and what do you do. So the first thing that I want to mention is that when it comes to that, before you even sign up with an affiliate network, the first thing that you need to have, if you don't already have it, is you need to have some kind of website, a YouTube channel, or some sort of social media page which is already active in the sense that there's visitors coming to it. So if you have a website, you want to make sure before you sign up with an affiliate network that has an application process that there's actually people visiting your website. If you have a social media page, you want to make sure that there's people visiting your social media page. If you have a YouTube channel, you want to make sure that there's people visiting that channel. The reason why is because when you go and you sign up to one or more of these affiliate networks out there that require that you show one of these places, if they see that you actually have people visiting your website, your YouTube channel, your social media page, that raises the chances that your application gets approved. The way to think about this is that let's say you're going into a job interview and you're basically not providing any kind of resume. You're kind of going to the potential employer and saying, well, I don't have a resume, but once you hire me, I will, make the resume on the spot. That's really not how this works. They want to see that you actually have something that's tangible, that you're a potential, profitable affiliate for them to do business with, and that it's something that's beneficial to them to approve your application. Otherwise, you have situations where you have countless people signing up with networks not doing anything, not making any money, and it's just taking up space on the affiliate network. It's just not feasible for them. So one of the reasons why a lot of people get disapproved for affiliate programs is because they don't have a website, a YouTube channel, a social media page that's actually active and getting them somewhere, okay? So that's the first thing that you want to make sure. Now, provided that you actually do have this and you signed up with an affiliate network and they disapproved you, the second thing that you're going to want to do is contact the support of the affiliate program. This is super duper important. So usually when you go through an application process and you fill everything out, one of two things will happen if a disapproval occurs. Either the disapproval happens instantly or it takes time and then you get a message that we reviewed your application and you're disapproved. And in those situations, you can't really, there's no point in really going through the application process once again because it's usually an automated response that you get. And in those situations, a plan B is to go back to the same exact affiliate program, go to their contact page or if they have an affiliate page and a contact area there, go there, contact them directly, let them know that you're a real person, show them that you have a website, show them that you have a YouTube channel, show them that you have a social media page, whatever is relevant for you, and just let them know. Because what's going to happen is you'll get in touch with a real person behind the program, and they'll be able to more thoroughly see your application and see that you're a real person. And here's actually a real case study of that. So here's a program called PinClicks, which I signed up for a couple of months ago. When I originally went to sign up with their affiliate program, I was immediately disapproved. And this was an automatic response. And so what I did was, I did what I just said. I contacted their customer support in terms of the affiliate program. I let them know exactly what I just told you. Hey, I'm a real person. I think I'd be a great fit for your affiliate network. Here's a website that I have that gets so-and-so visitors a day. I have X amount of experience with affiliate marketing, so many years, all that kind of stuff. And then what do you know? Within 30 minutes, I got a response from their support. They said, sorry about that. We re-reviewed your application. You're approved for our program. And here it is. I'm actually making sales for this program right now. This isn't always a guarantee, but it is a great plan B to work with. That's part 2. Now, the last one that I'll be talking about in this video is that if you did what I just said, you have a website, you have a YouTube channel, social media page, you signed up, it didn't work, you went through the customer support, that didn't work, then the last thing that I would say is forget that network, find another one and go back to the original one later, even if that is still feasible. So there's certain situations where you just have to let it go. You sign up with an affiliate network, you feel like it's a great pick for you to work with because they have so many products or services, or they offer a lot of high commissions for whatever it is you wish to promote, but for whatever reason it's not working out. Sometimes you have incompetent affiliate programs where they just disapprove people for no reason and there's nothing you can do about it. In those situations, you just have to let it go and find another one. And the great news is there's no shortage of affiliate programs out there that could be great alternatives for the one that you thought was a great choice for you. And the truth is there's just a lot of options out there. For example, that same wealthy affiliate program I was telling you about that approves you right away to promote their products, I use it to promote their program, but I also use it to promote others. And they actually have this thing where if you sign up with them, they help you create a website, help you create a digital property to then build up, but they also give you lists of affiliate programs that you can sign up with. So here I am in the back end. I created a website that's on scenic train rides, and there's an area here called revenue opportunities, which gives me lists of many different affiliate programs that are based on my niche, which is scenic train rides, that I could sign up with, what I get paid for the commission. I didn't even know these places existed. So, instead of doing all the legwork of going to these other places and looking for other affiliate programs, you can actually do it here, and you can sign up with this wealthy affiliate program for free if that's something you're interested in. But my point in sharing with you this is that there's always a plan B out there. And even if one affiliate network doesn't approve you, there may be some other one that will. The important thing to understand is, first and foremost, you need to have some sort of digital property that's there to show. A website, a YouTube channel, a social media page that's actually active and getting you somewhere. Because you may have situations where you have that and then you have affiliate programs and offers coming to you saying, we'd love it if you joined our affiliate program. That way they're coming to you, you're not coming to them, and that way that flips the script, and now you have basically free access to become an affiliate for these programs. So that's what I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope that this really helps you in finding the one for you when it comes to that. Now, you may find that, like me, you might want to join multiple affiliate programs, or you may find that just one may be more than enough for you to have an affiliate marketing career with. The last thing that I'll say is that if you're not already familiar with my channel or what I do, my name is Vitaly, and as you probably already know, I am an affiliate marketer that does this full time. And if you find that this information that I shared with you is valuable and you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, perhaps you're new or you're struggling with this business, this is something that I teach you how to do. You can find out more videos on my channel that teach that, but really the best place to get started with is with a free beginner course that I will also leave a link to below this video, as well as the other ones I mentioned earlier. You're welcome to check that out. It'll give you the baseline fundamentals of what you need to get started with and succeed with in affiliate marketing and making money online in general. So thanks a lot for watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know. But as always, I will see you all in the next one. Take care.